Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. I know it's not Whip Wednesday, but I did want to do a weekly check-in. I skipped my Whip Wednesday from yesterday, so I just wanted to say hi to everyone. How are you doing today? Let me know what you're working on this week. It is October, which means Halloween is basically here. So I've been working really hard on our Halloween costumes. I have to crochet 4 pieces. I have 1.5 done, but the other 2 pieces are pretty simple, so they'll take all of about a week. So I'm trying to get everything complete, but with that mystery crochet along last month and this all these other holiday things coming up, I am trying to get little windows of time to work on my Halloween costumes for our family. I didn't tell anybody what we are yet, but they are going to be as epic as ever, just like every year that we do our Halloween costumes. I can show you, I am going to be releasing a pattern actually for this hat that is part of our costume, but it's actually, I'm releasing it as a woman's hat, but it's actually part of Nate's costume. So I'll show you here. And I'm going to be releasing the written instructions very soon on this one. This is called the Honeybee hat. So cute. It's like a super cute, kind of summery, but also kind of fall. And I added this ribbon around it. And it's got like a brim. It's very similar to my hometown honey hat, but that was made with raffia yarn, and this is actually made with Basic Stitch by Lion Brand. So super cute. And that is going to be part of the Halloween costume, but I'm going to take the ribbon off and Nate is actually going to wear it. So can you guess what we are going to be? Let me know in the comments. Okay, then I wanted to talk to you about a couple other things. First off, Would Be Fancy is having a sale right now. If you don't know what Would Be Fancy is, check out the links in the description of this video. I will have links to the shop, links to the Would Be Fancy story, which is so incredible. My dad is just so amazing. He owns the shop Would Be Fancy on Etsy. He hand carves these wooden handled crochet hooks. I wonder if I have one lying around over here. I thought I did. There's one. So this is an F size hook, but you can choose whatever crochet hook size you want, and he carves it to this classic design. So cool. And they're on the shop already, just showing the handle, just like this, because you will choose then which size hook you want in there. Just realized I need a manicure. So yeah, you can get your favorite crochet hook inserted, and it's permanent and they're non-removable, but it is hand carved, ergonomic, and it fits in the palm of your hand so nicely. I promote these on all my videos, so I really hope that you can support his shop. There's a sale going on right now, so you'll get a discounted price. Plus, I did see there's buttons, the wooden buttons, which I actually use these buttons on this hat, which I just released, the Sign of the Times crocheted hat, beanie hat here. And inside I put these buttons from the Etsy shop Would Be Fancy. So there's buttons on the shop too. And this Sign of the Times hat is super cute. First of all, love how slouchy it is like this, but then you can flip up the brim and have the buttons showing, and then if you have a mask, you can put the mask on there like that. Or you can make a mask, wear your regular mask or whatever, and then put this over the top to keep you warm in the winter, in the cool weather coming, just like this. Or you can button this, put this down, and if you see in my pictures, actually, I put this brim down, and then I put this on from the inside. I buttoned it, but that's essentially what it looks like. But I like it just the way it is, like this. How fun. And then when I'm running into the store or something and they require masks, just hook on the mask inside. And then it can be, you know, kind of like an ear saver, so you're not having the straps of the mask run behind your ears, you know. It's a great idea and great hat. And I love the fur pom. I get these on Amazon and they come in packs of 12. They're so wonderful. So yeah, but I just wanted to share these patterns with you. So that other hat, this hat pattern is not on my blog yet, but it will be extremely soon, probably I don't know, this weekend maybe. let me know if you want it now or later. Also, because I know your list is like super long of what you have to make too, because Halloween's here, then Thanksgiving, and then Christmas, and now it's fall, and like you have to make all the crochet projects for the people in your life, for Christmas projects and for gifts and everything. So yeah, put this on your list, you guys. This is a lot of fun to make. It's a lot of striping and just different colors, and I used 3 different brands of yarn, but they're all essentially the same type of feeling, acrylic, like similar like basic stitch. You could use like Red Heart Super Saver, which I did not use in this. You can use Red Heart Super Saver, you could use Red Heart with Love, even Simply Soft, Caron Simply Soft, but I use Lion brand Simply or basic stitch for this one. Brava Yarns is this orange and red, I believe, and then this light green color is, or actually the light green and the red are Paint Box yarns, and the dark green and the orange are Brava yarn, Brava worsted, and then this tan color is Lion Brand's basic stitch. So yeah, 3 different brands of yarn in this hat, but it's great. So big thank you to all of those brands who sponsored this, because they sent me the yarn and I just created this piece of art. I love it so much. And then Amazon for this pom. All the supplies you need are in the pattern, written pattern. We don't have a video tutorial for this yet, but we will get one soon. We've just been extremely busy and we haven't been able to get into the studio to actually film. So we're going to do that soon. And also I wanted to tell you guys, I really am absolutely adoring your bags, your MKLNN bags, the mystery crochet along bag. I did put the written instructions, the PDF file is on Ravelry or Etsy if you wanted to purchase the PDF. Otherwise you can get the whole free pattern on my website. I called it the Mystery Medley Tote Bag. Nikki shared hers the day before mine, and she named hers the Patchwork Tote Bag, which I absolutely love that name because it's super patchwork type of a tote, and it's humongous. I just love this bag so much. And yeah, I named it the Mystery Medley because of the mystery crochet along. It's just a medley of stitches and colors, and oh, it was so much fun to make this. If you haven't made this, if you did not join the mystery crochet along, you can still make the bag. It's still online, it's still a pattern on YARNutopia, or you can go to Nikki's Homemade Crafts and do her version. But we did 2 different versions at the finish, part 5 of everything. We finished it differently. So that's really everything I wanted to talk to you about. I'm just so obsessed with October, just fall in general. I sent out a newsletter earlier and I was like, you know what, I just love, you know, bonfires and grilling out, and the fall colors are changing in Wisconsin. It's so beautiful. The sweatshirt weather, I love it. I mean, just look at my shirt. Halloween is right around the corner. I just love like every single thing to do with Halloween. It's just the cozy murder mysteries. The buffalo plaid is coming out. It was like pumpkin spice everything. I mean, hot cocoa, all of it. And Nasser is just growing so big. I'm gonna actually bring him in here to see you because it's been a while since I brought him in a video. But if you follow me on Snapchat or on Instagram on my stories, I'll share him all the time. He's always so comical, this kid. So yeah, let me go get him real quick. Hang on. All right, say hi. He's so cute. Say hi. Say hi. He sees himself in the camera. And yeah, that's a lot of yarn. He never comes in this room because he would be destructive. Take all my yarn. But yeah, he's a little Mickey today because he got this adorable little outfit from his auntie Nida, my best friend Nida, and he now wants to get all over the place. Say hello. He's getting so big. He is doing so well, and he's just excelling in everything. And he is starting to talk, believe it or not, but he's quite quiet right now, but he does chat. He can say quack, quack, quack. He can sign language. We do sign language, and he is eating all the food. I made pumpkin pie this morning. and he just devoured a whole piece of pumpkin pie with whipped cream. It was so funny. So yeah, I can't wait to show you his Halloween costume though. I'll try to get it done in the next 2 weeks and then you guys can see it. It's so awesome. Yeah, Mommy's office is so cool, isn't it? There's some stuff everywhere. Yeah. So make sure to check out all the links in the description of this video, and yeah, just check out my website for those latest patterns. Until next time, we're gonna go outside and enjoy the nice, brisk, cool fall air, and then I'm gonna put him down for a nap so I can do some more work. Thanks for joining me today in this chat. I really enjoyed talking to you, and until next week, happy hooking. Say bye. Bye.